Good evening. Good evening. How are you? I'm good. Thanks for asking. And I'm from Odisha. And you? Wow. Then you are from my neighbor state, right? Are you a student or working? Okay. Which means private company. Okay. How long have you been working? Wow. You are working in last 5 years. Okay. Which company are you working? Wow. So nice. And do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with Cola now? Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Do you talk with anyone in Do you talk with anyone in English at office? Do you talk with them, your colleagues here? Okay. Right, right. Are you born and brought up in West Bengal or are you from different state? Okay, what's your qualification? Wow, you completed graduation in mechanical department, right? Do you want to change your profession in future or do you like that profession? Wow. Then how long have you been using this platform? Okay. And do you practice with language learner regularly? Okay. How much time do you invest per day? How much time do you invest per day? Pardon? Yeah. Yeah, you are a means subscriber and you get lot of time to interact with language learner and you get much time to practice with them. But I am a free user and I get only 30 minutes per day. And if I finish 30 minutes, then I never interact with anyone. Yeah, yeah. Could you repeat once again? Okay. No, no, I am not a student. I am not an employee. I am unemployed. I'm a language learner. I completed my graduation. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. You know, as a Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't get opportunity to interact with anyone in 24 hours. That's why I depend in this kind of platform to interact with co-learner. Are you married or single? Yeah, you tell, you guess. No, I think I'm married. Yes. Do you talk with anyone regularly apart from this platform? Do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking? Yes, yes, yes. Just talk, basic fluency. These two platforms also I use. Okay, Joe's talk also and Ask Fluency also, right? Yes, yes. Okay, what are the difference between Joe's talk, Ask Fluency or this platform? Uh, those food I have to take a subscription CD and Joestalk. Joestalk is the same, but it is much cheaper. It is some little bit cheaper than the CD subscription. Okay. And I that I don't take the certification of AC fluency. It is only Java. Right, right. Before I used to use as fluency is C fluency, but this day I don't use that platform, and I never use that means juice talk. I never use that platform. One time I only try to free call. I spoke with someone. How yeah. Many days did you do that? Pardon? Could you repeat? How many days you did that? I have been using what is this. I have been using this platform around 2 months. Okay. Yeah. And what is your business? I have written my name is learner because I want to motivate myself as a learner. I'm a language learner. Yeah. Then you tell me one thing because what kind of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? Because you subscribe to platform, you invest your time with both platform and you practice lots with language learner. Apart from those platform, what kind of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? Uh, First of all, we use the grammatical part, texture and vocabulary. Okay. And read the newspapers, news, watch the news, and read the book, okay. Book. That is also part of me. Of course, to want to definitely. Improve because I have already read to more than 60. And maybe from India, out of India, they give some guys are giving this advice. Okay, because because language has four skill, LSRW, you know very well, right? If you do regularly reading, writing, listening, speaking, then definitely you become a fluent speaker, right? You are a good speaker, you are a fluent speaker, your mode of speaking is excellent, powerful, smart, splendid, awesome, good at, but you want to keep on touching English language through platform and you want to polish your fluency, am I right? Yeah, because if we don't talk with anyone 10 to 20 minutes per day, then we may lose our fluency and confidence simultaneously. That's why we have to talk with anyone 10 to 20 minutes per day because it is a language, right? It is not our mother tongue. We have to create English speaking atmosphere surrounding us, right? And language is just a language, right? It speaking comes by speaking. We have to train our mind to tongue, right? Because we have to create one file inside our head: grammar file, vocabulary file, tenses file, part of speech file. While interact with others, you open your tense file. Whatever we are talking right now, it is related with tenses, right? Because I ask according to tense wise question, right? But people they tell it is doesn't require, it is a language, it's okay. But we don't have atmosphere where you listen with whom you talk. Then you enhance your English speaking, right? We don't have atmosphere, we don't have language partner. That's why we have to focus also tense. I am talking about well educated people. I'm not talking about illiterate people because we don't have atmosphere, right? Then we have to focus also tenses. We have to focus also vocabulary, part of speech, right? How to make sentences. Then we have to improve also everything. Then we can speak better way. Otherwise, illiterate people they can also speak fluent English, right? Because they got atmosphere, they never worried about making mistake. But well educated people, we people always think if I talk with someone, if I make mistake, what they think about me, right? We have a language phobia. We don't want to miss ready to make mistake, right? We always think if I perfect, then I will start to talk with anyone. right? Those kind of means language phobia we have, then we don't worry about that kind of, but it is only one technique: practice, 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 right? And we have to help ourselves. No one can help you, right? Because if right now you want to enhance your English speaking, but you cannot tell your colleagues and friend, I want to enhance my English speaking, I want to practice with you. If I make mistake, you correct my mistake, I listen carefully half an hour. But your real friend don't have time to listen your words, right? They cannot correct your mistake. That's why we come online and we get someone to practice through online, right? It is a better for us. We both are language learner. You know what is important English speaking for your professional life. That's why you are learning, right? I know myself why I want to enhance my English speaking.